All right, what's up guys? So today gonna be installing some LED brake lights. The company reached out, the brand Auxito, and yeah, they offered to provide me these brake lights for the DA and just do a quick review. And I couldn't say no because LED lights on anything, especially brake lights, where these kind of suck at night, compared to like these 2020, 2022 vehicles where it's just blinding brake lights, especially in this vehicle. So it's so low, it's in your, field of view. So these will hopefully enhance the rear end pretty good, but it's kind of a fail because he sent me these, and I just noticed that I actually have, DAs actually have two brake lights and two running lights. So usually it's on the inner or outer, and these have two brake lights here and two brake lights there. So I'm only going to be able to do either the brake lights on the inner or the LED brake lights on the outer, or I can't do only one side, since this will only provide one side and that's all I was provided, because I honestly thought it was one per each. But yeah, DAs are different, I guess. So yeah, let me do a little unboxing. And for the people who don't know, these are 1157s, and I believe these are red, and these are for brake or tail lights or brake lights. So let me unbox it, and yeah, right, so here they are right here, and they look pretty dang nice. Kind of has like a projector in a way to them. That looks pretty dang cool. And yeah, just standard brake lights. So yeah, so they're dual filament. So they're those dual right there, that's for a parking light, and the driving light and the actual brake. So they stay on, then they're gonna light up brighter. So basically what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna put these on the driver's side since I don't have one for that side, and then I'm gonna do a quick test comparison, LED versus the regular filament type. But yeah, so let me install these and let's see how they look. But first I'm gonna get a before. Oh yeah, before anything, the packaging is pretty dang nice. It didn't come like in a generic recycled generic cardboard box or anything. Nice packaging, and everything seems safe. Quality seems pretty good. It has like LEDs that go around the perimeter, and it has LEDs inside there. Let me pop one of these out. I would have actually bought these and everything, but this car, it requires so much little seals, gaskets, exhaust work, whatever. Yeah, I was actually gonna do this now, but I couldn't justify this now with the problems that it has. So pretty cool that it's gonna get this. So it has those little LEDs inside there with like that little projector. So that's pretty dang cool. So let me do a comparison, and then I'm gonna throw them on, and then we'll see right to left. All right, so pull the car over here. It looks pretty dang nice in this corner. So I'm gonna actually, let me see. Gonna put these back in. That right there. I'm not gonna put it all the way in, but I just want you to see how it looks. So yeah, I got that right there. That's how it looks like right now with the both regular lights. Now I'm going to throw in the LEDs on the driver's side. Let's see the difference. All right, so let's yeah, this one right here. Going to take this out. Actually going to save these just in case. But yeah, I remember for the DC2, I actually had a lot of corrosion issues, and I had always pop bulbs and have stuff go bad. Kind of doing this one hand, but perfect. And the other one is here. That one's a harder one, the one over there. By the way, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm just looking at what I'm doing, so if it looks pretty bad, yeah. And these actually have pretty bad corrosion, so I think I'm gonna end up getting some grease for these LEDs. Some like anti-corrosion grease or something. Bam, just like that. Right there. All right, so let me throw it back on the tripod and we'll check it out. So this is with the regular driving lights. That's a huge difference. And also I would want to mention that you could look on the ground and you could actually see how it's red on the ground, and on this side there's nothing. So that, compare to that, you definitely want to get some with the projector. Dang, that's kind of bright. But yeah, and you could also see on the bumper how it's red, and then on this one barely anything. All right guys, so there you have it. Definitely toss these out, pick up the Auxito LED lights for your DA, Civic, CRX. It could be an EJ, anything, an EG, EH, and they're all standard. These are the 1156 bulbs, and they're also gonna have the 1156. No, these are the 1157s. They're gonna have the 1156 also. You're gonna need those for your turn signals, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so pick these up. Definitely gonna get another set for I'm gonna throw one here and throw one on the outer, and I'm gonna get another set for the inners just to have the rear, and then I'm gonna go for the LEDs. So smash the like if you want to see the LED turn signals. But yeah, so definitely pick it up, and I am going to get some for the front turn signals. That's gonna look super dope, and possibly even here, we'll see how that goes. But maybe I'll just keep that regular, just put turn signals, the LED. It'll really make it a lot, you know, safer and modern. And this car being, you know, over 30 years old, needs anything it can get. But yeah, so pick up your LEDs, link in the description. Pretty cool people, and very good prices, and yeah, they'll hook you up. All right guys, I'll see ya. Peace. So this is gonna be some little bonus footage. The outers right here are gonna be LED, and the inners are the regular filament type. And yeah, so let's try it out. So yeah, so there you have it guys. Those are super bright, dim, and super bright right there. And you could tell that all this is red. Can't really see it that good on camera, but yeah, definitely a good upgrade. But yeah guys, so that's gonna be the video. Little bonus footage, just wanted to see how this looked like on camera and just share it with you guys. But next I'm gonna get the inner ones and the signals.